What's up, fellas? Just figured I'd jump on here and make a quick assembly video for the new elevated wheels. These are weighing in about 25 grams with hardware, 2mm carbon fiber, faceplate, gloss. These are the Colorado wheels. It's got a little flag attachment in the back. So I'm gonna just throw one of these together real quick. See, I got the gist of it. Main thing, this video is just kind of telling you not to manhandle it. Do it by hand. It doesn't take any longer. I did a little test. I guess it depends on what tool you got, but if you got one faster than mine, you're definitely going to burn the holes up. This is just plastic. If you buy the whole wheel, it comes with the longer screws so that you can get going on them. It's 20 millimeters wide. That's just what they have to be to keep the offset halfway decent and still clear the portals. F10s anyways. Wrestle that old centerpiece in there. These are already vented. I don't think I'll offer a version that's not vented. I would vent everything. I guess unless you're trail running, but so these are keyed into that inner ring to try to keep it from twisting, and then you just put that in from whatever the side part you say is back. And then I like to take this little ring, and you can see where the bead starts on the tire. I like to pull it all the way out, all the way around. Make sure that bead's flush and not smashed down in there. This is I think a 40 millimeter wide insert on a Tusk. Anyways, got them in there like that. Some of these holes might be a little tight, but that one's not. Same thing, I kind of like to shove the faceplate in there and make sure where the beads all the way even around, and it just makes it a lot easier. And try to find one of your bolt holes first, I guess. It's a little harder with the faceplate, but I'll just go back here, line that up, put a decent amount of pressure on it, and boom, she's already started. Just get one side started, pull your bead out some more, grab your second long bolt, little pressure, boom, started. Before you get tight, lock that bead in, make sure it's all even. See that? I don't know if you can see it or not, but pull it all out, all the way around. Backside looks good. I'd put a couple more in here normally. You know, do the typical X pattern, but this is fun. A little bit each side. And these don't have to be super tight or nothing. Just keep turning until eventually it gets just a little bit tighter than what it was the whole time, and that's bottomed out. Like I said, it's still just plastic, so it's not like you can get crazy with it. Bottomed out. You can kind of see, usually if the faceplate isn't there, you can see in between the front of the wheel. But anyways, there she is. Colorado's assembled. She's pretty slick.